I'm Jamaican American. Of course I have two passports. I'm Jamaican American. Of course Jamaican people don't consider me Jamaican, but then American people don't consider me American. So I'm somewhere in between. I'm Jamaican American. Of course I'm traumatized by the phrase pass me the ting there, because which ting there would you like me to pass you? I'm Jamaican American. Of course I'm gonna put bilingual on my application every single time because Jamaicans do not speak broken English. Jamaicans speak patois, a Creole language. I'm Jamaican American. Of course, I was never allowed to celebrate Halloween or read Harry Potter growing up. I'm Jamaican American. Of course, I grew up on bully beef and white rice and porridge over American food any day. I'm Jamaican American. Of course, I have family in Canada and the UK, and most of my family is still in Jamaica. I'm Jamaican American. Of course, people nearly have a heart attack when I tell them that I was born in New York, but I still have a Jamaican passport. Read the Jamaican Constitution. I'm Jamaican American.